Find a quiet place where you can sit undisturbed. If you need to strengthen the intent, surround yourself with healing crystals, prepare a tea, or smudge the space. Close your eyes and begin focusing on your breathing. Breathe and focus within. Quiet your mind and allow your heart to open. Ground and center your energy, feeling your energy flowing down to the core of the earth, noticing and experiencing that you are one with all light, with all the planet, and one with all that is. Take another deep breath now as you allow the light at the core of the earth to flow up. Feel the divine light flowing up in through the bottom of your feet and traveling up through your chakras along your spine. Feel the light activating, balancing, and healing all 7 chakras of your physical body. Continuing up out of the top of your head. Go with it. Allow the light to open your higher energy centers. Notice how it's continuing to lift up above the light and into the direct presence and connection with source energy, with Gaia, with the divine. Relax and breathe. Feel the love. Feel your oneness with source and with all that is. Enjoy this feeling. Bask in the divine love that radiates all around you now. Simply connecting with these energies will cleanse and lift your being, bringing you healing love and blessings. Once you feel relaxed, envision a thick red or black cord coming from your tailbone, going deep into the earth and tying you safely to the core. This is to ground you and also protect you. Now, using your intuition and awareness, tune into your aura and energy body. Tune into and identify who or what you're corded to. Become aware of the cord and the circumstances surrounding it. The place, the size, the chakra, the color. Become aware of the cords which are draining you. Become aware of any cords of attachment which are present. Become aware of any other information as well. Become aware of and understand the cord and how it was attached to you energetically in the first place. Loving, balanced relationships do not create cords, and so if a cord is present, it means something was out of balance. What was it? This awareness is key to cutting a cord once and for all, because with it you can change the pattern. Take note of which emotions cause you to shift out of love and joy so that a cord could be attached. Feel the emotions, experience the circumstances, and then release the dense pattern, belief, and energy. Allow the cord in your energy to dissolve into divine light. Become aware of the pattern you engaged in which established the cord. What is the pattern of energy flowing in the cord between you and another person, substance, or event? Become aware of why. Understand the pattern. Cut the cord. Release it into divine light so you can freely heal, evolve, and grow. With awareness of how the cord was attached, you're able to change the pattern which created it. Step off the karmic wheel, sever the cord, and lift it into new levels of love and authentic being. Now draw to mind the attachment that you wish to cut cords with. Visualize the cords with this person, place, or thing, and then imagine cutting them with scissors, a sword, burning them off, dusting them like cobwebs, or removing them by hand. Ask the universe to cut and release cords into divine light. Tell this attachment that you love them, you wish them well, but no longer will be tied to them. Then when you're ready to cut and remove this energetic cord for good, repeat after me. I ask Source, my guides, Gaia the Divine, to help me in this task. I wish to free myself for all of eternity from this attachment so that both of us may go free from ties that bind and all energy attachments from the past. It is time to move past the experiences we have shared. I'm thankful for what I have learned and lessons given, but this attachment is no longer needed and is holding me back and affecting my now. With power, I ask for all cords to be cut, for all energetic cords physically connecting the two of us to be removed, dissolved, transmuted, and cut free, and all energy to be returned to the original sender. It is my intention that no more energy attachments hook onto me from this attachment. With forgiveness and peace, I release this attachment and move away. I move on while it does the same. I now call upon my guides, Gaia the Divine, to surround me and cut away the cords and give me protection. I ask that this be complete and sealed now. Please cleanse my aura of negative energy and emotions and seal it with love. Meg Witch. Thank you. By severing these cords of attachment, you naturally make room for more fulfillment, peace, clarity, and joy in your life. Your authentic path is able to open up before you, and you're able to move further into your expansion and awakening. Release the patterns carried within this cord into divine light, then replace this dense energetic vibration with an empowering belief, a positive, uplifting habit, and with a fresh, new, uplifting pattern of unconditional love, light, and compassion. While you're connecting to Source, invite an empowering new belief, a positive energy centered in divine love, joy, and balance to flow into your being, filling the void where the cord of attachment was rooted. Let love, joy, and compassion take its place. Consciously be aware of the new pattern, belief, and energy you're now aligned with. Notice how this new energy will prevent you from being corded again by this attachment or another should you have a similar interaction. With your new perspective, you're able to stay cord-free, having learned your lesson from the attachment, able to respond in a new empowered way. You're able to live with healthy boundaries and to move further on your path of awakening. Finally, imagine a waterfall of light pouring down from the divine all around you and that which you were corded to. This light of the divine releases any lingering negativity into light and paves the way for your balanced, centered, positive new beginning. Keep love and joy around you as you continue further, knowing that love acts as a powerful shield. From this moment forward, your mind no longer dwells upon this which you have been corded to, as the psychic attachment has been dissolved. Your mind is quieter, calmer, and it is like cleaning out a closet. All those old emotions associated with that attachment dissolve as the communication between you ends. You have now extra space in your mind to fill with something better, and you will certainly be clearer in intent moving forward. Imagine the freedom you can feel having this extra peace of mind, letting go of unwanted baggage, not to mention feeling free emotionally as well. You literally move on, and a new space is formed around you. You can now proceed to fill the space with more aligned and pleasant thoughts and feelings. Cutting these bonds makes healing that much faster. This will help you to release the pain and clear out your energy field or aura of that trauma. Removing energetic cords can raise your frequency so that you can naturally attract a higher grid of people, places, times, things, and events. You're now free to welcome in blossoming new spiritual ties. When you're content, visualize the cord you attached to the core of the earth being untied and coming back into your tailbone. Bring your awareness back into conscious reality and have a good stretch. Shake it out. Thank your higher self, spiritual guides, Gaia, etc., and go about your life. Repeat this exercise as often as needed until you feel this attachment has cleared. No, if a cord cutting fails, this indicates that you are not willing to really let this attachment go yet. This is okay. It just means you aren't truly ready to move on. There may be a lesson in this relationship. something that you have yet to master, and your current attachment is giving you the opportunity to learn the lesson for good. This is Cord Cutting and Removing Energetic Cords by your coach, Ashley Misho. I love you.